In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Evernote Desktop Notebook to Google Docs. We'll move your content quickly and keep it tidy along the way. First, open Evernote on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and the left sidebar is visible so you can easily navigate. Next, in the left sidebar, click Notes to see everything in your account. If you prefer to work from a specific notebook, open that notebook first so your list is filtered to just those notes. This keeps things focused and reduces the chance of copying the wrong content. Now choose the note whose content you want in Google Docs. Open it so you can see the full body of the note. Scan through and decide what you want to bring over text, checklists, images, or tables. Keep in mind that some items, like embedded files, may not transfer perfectly and might need a quick touch-up later. Select and copy the content. Click into the note, drag to highlight exactly what you need, or use Select All to grab everything. Then copy it with the standard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. If you're moving several sections, copying in smaller chunks can help preserve formatting. Switch to Google Docs and paste. Open a new blank document or the document where this content belongs. Click into the page and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. If the formatting doesn't look right, try paste without formatting to match your doc style, or use the clear formatting option after pasting. Headings, lists, and links usually carry over well, but give images and tables a quick check. Adjust spacing, fonts, and alignment as needed to match your preferred look. Once everything looks good, name your document so it's easy to find later. If you have more notes to move, repeat the same copy and paste process for each one. Your content is saved automatically in Google Drive, so you can access and share it from anywhere. When you're ready, organize these documents into folders that mirror your notebooks for easier navigation. And that's it. Simple, reliable, and fast.